Busy ka bang tao at walang oras na mag-exercise? Samahan niyo ako sa ating 5-minute quick and effective workout, fat burning workout. Gagawin natin ang bawat exercise ng 30 seconds, 5 exercises, 2 rounds. Let's go. For our first exercise, ang ating jumping jacks. 30 seconds, modified version. Just step side to side. You can always skip the jumping. Inhale, exhale. Buhatin ang bigat ng inyong paa.
Halfway.
30 seconds, you can do it. Inhale, exhale. Only 5 minutes.
Three, two, one.
Next natin, ang ating high knees. Modified version. 30 seconds, you can do it.
Halfway. Three, two, one.
Next natin ang ating push-ups. For modified version, pwedeng sa wall. Ibaba ang dibdib, hindi naka-flare out. Ang inyong elbow. Kung kaya nyo naman, on the floor.
Halfway.
On your knees. Ibaba ang dibdib. I-press lahat ng weight na nanggagaling sa inyong kamay. Kung kaya naman ng full push-ups,
Three, two,
mas maganda.
work.
Next natin ang ating mountain climber. Modified version. Inhale, exhale. You can do
Halfway.
it. 14 seconds.
Three, two, one. Work.
And last exercise for the first set, ang ating plank hold. Squish your glutes. 30 seconds.
Halfway.
You can do it. Inhale, exhale. I-vacuum ang tiyan. Higupin ang iyong tiyan paloob.
Three, two, one. Work.
For the last set, again, ang ating jumping jacks. Modified version. You can always skip the jumping. Whew. You can do it, guys. 5 minutes lang.
Halfway.
Inhale, exhale. Last 2 minutes.
Three, two, one.
High knees. Again, modified version. Keep moving.
Halfway.
Inhale, exhale.
Three, two, one. Work.
Next natin ang ating push-ups. Wall push-ups. Or floor.
Halfway.
You can do it. Inhale, exhale. Last 2 exercises.
Three, two, one. Work.
Mountain climber. Modified version. Di bali mabagal. Basta gumagalaw kayo.
Halfway.
You can do it. Inhale, exhale.
Three, two, one. Work.
And last natin ang ating plank. Higupin ang iyong tiyan paloob. Squish your glutes. 30 seconds.
Halfway.
You can do it. Last 10 seconds. Three.
2, 1. Finish.
Woo! Congratulations kung natapos yung ating workout. Gawin nyo to every day. It's either morning, afternoon, or evening. Sigurado na nag-burn kayo ng calories, nag-burn kayo ng fats. Thanks so much for watching and joining me. I'm Coach Elvie. I'll see you in my next one.